In this video, I'll be taking you through the process of making some jewelry that I made using some beads I got online. Hey, it's your girl Ria back with another video, and today we'll be making some jewelry and we'll be making a choker necklace, a bracelet and an anklet. I'll be using some beads that I got off AliExpress, and I'll be taking you through the process of me drafting or rather making the jewelry, and I'll see you at the end of the video where we will review the jewelry and how I think about it. So until then, enjoy. And this is the final product on me. For the anklet, I love the black. I love how it matches with my tattoo on the other leg. I think it just looks amazing. There's nothing I would really change about it. For the necklace, I still love it. I'm one person who's obsessed with chokers, and this necklace I'm just so obsessed with it. I can wear it daily. And the bracelet, I really love it. This is my first bracelet to ever make, and I'm impressed with how it turned out. And I'm so glad you could tune in until the end. If you enjoyed the content, consider subscribing. And until the next video, peace and love. And remember, true happiness is when you are your biggest fan. Bye bye.